one I think is really more important because I was actually listening to a replay of, the first Thursdays that you have question
Yes.
and answer. And my 9-year-old was in the car with me. We were listening to an old, I think it was last month. So she found it very interesting, and she said, "Mommy, can you call in?" I said, "No, honey." I said, "This is an old one." She said, "Well, can you call next time?" I said, "Sure." And I said, "You want me to ask a question?" She said, "Yes." So she gave
Good.
me a question to ask you. I have one of my own, but I think it's important first if I can ask hers,
Oh,
if
I
that's
think that's
okay.
great. Yes.
Thank you. Okay, so her question was, do you know if angels like dark colors? Like, for example, are they attracted to brown, black colors like that?
Oh, I love that. Whew, as you asked that question, my lip twitched and it just took my breath away. So this answer is definitely going to be coming from the angelic realm. Let me see what they have to say.
Okay.
They're saying that all colors, they appear to us as colors, but they say that to the angels, colors are like music, and each color has its own note. How interesting. And so we're familiar with the colors in the rainbow, and we could see that like a scale of notes, and that they're saying that browns and blacks and grays all have their place in the tapestry of life. Huh, I love this. And so just like people are drawn to different colors or different types of music, angels embrace all vibrations because they are at the highest vibration. And there's understanding that not all colors fit all people, but angels are certainly, let me see, they say we represent the realm of pure love, and love means no separation, so all colors are equally loved. Ha!
Oh, that's so beautiful. Thank you,
That's cool. Yay.